Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the ignition switch on Mercedes GLC 3rd generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. You have some hidden fuses, relays that we'll talk about that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The ignition switch, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, come to show you on that 3rd generation Mercedes GLC right here. What we guys need to do first, we need to open the trunk, and when we open the trunk, you have a hidden fuse box. You see that cover? Go ahead and open it. Underneath you have some storage compartments, and this flap, you can open it. When you do that, you're going to find the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay, and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here you will need to check 2 fuses at first, but we need to go and check a few more things. 460, 461 right here. Check that component right here, known as fuse 1, and here you have another one known as fuse 2. You need to check it here at that point there. Also, you will need to check, okay, relay S, it's that one. Then on the driver's side, if you open the driver door, on the side of the dash you have a cover. Go ahead and pull that cover. Behind it you have another fuse box. You may have another relay right here known as relay F. Now, those are the main things, but guys, you have 2 pre-fuse boxes in your car. One is inside the car, one is in the engine compartment. Those pre-fuse boxes are pre-fuse boxes that people do not know they even exist. Now, there you have mega fuses. These mega fuses supply power to multiple components and ignition components as well, different modules, and if one of those is bad, you may think you have a bad ignition switch. So check out the pre-fuse boxes, open them and test all your fuses. If you don't know where the pre-fuse boxes are located on Mercedes GLC, we have the video on the channel that will teach you all about that. Check it out. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.